Welcome back to Fabricating Awesome Stuff. Today's episode is part 4 of fitting the engine cowling. So let me know what you think in the comments. Also, remember to like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of these updates. I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and thanks for watching. I trimmed off some of the obvious high points of the metal baffling, and now what I did is I ran strings from the fuselage down to the prop hub to get a feel for where else it needs to be trimmed. And you can see the strings are touching some of the metal baffling. And what we want to end up with is there should be 1/2 inch approximately between the string and the baffling. And it looks like there's a couple of them that are okay. Like that one right there looks pretty good, those two. But then most of these others are going to need, we're going to have to do a little more trimming. So that should give us at least a guide to follow. So we'll see how that works. And I'll report back. Thanks. Here's another view of the strings after I have trimmed the metal baffling. And by using those strings, I was able to see how much each spot needed to be trimmed. And I've got about 1/2 inch clearance between each string and the metal baffling underneath it. So that really helped me visualize where the trimming needed to take place. So all of that needs to be cleaned up and everything, and deburred and so forth. And I still need to attach all of the rubber seal material on the top of them, but that really did work for me using those strings. After trimming the metal baffling, the top cowling now sits down in place where it's supposed to. So we still have to install all the fasteners, but we're making good progress. It's looking good. Thanks for watching.